Well, welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we're going to be back on the bike. Don't do many of these, do I? But today we are. We're going to go up to Bike Night up on Plymouth Hoe. So we're going to take you along for the ride, meet a few mates along the way. And I don't even know if I've ever shown you this one before. This is my Triumph. I've had it a little while now, and you've probably seen it in the background sometimes when I've been doing videos. So let's go for a ride, eh? We're Mark and V, and this is our adventures. Now I'm going to try and explain to you what's happening here. Now this is a set of runners who are doing a relay race. Now it's a transatlantic relay race. It started off in New York, and the runners originally, not these runners, but runners originally ran from New York to California, I believe. With this, you'll see it later on in the video, there's like a trophy, like it's a bit like the Statue of Liberty type of trophy. So one of the chaps involved was actually based at 42 Commando, and he came back to the UK and he decided he wanted to get people involved and get it sorted out. So loads of bikes attended the final phase of it, ending up on Plymouth Hoe. So this is what you're seeing now. You're seeing runners from a local club and local bikers who've got together in a sort of transatlantic type meeting to finish off on Plymouth Hoe. And if you've never been to a Plymouth Bike Night yet, this is what you're going to expect as you come round the corner. You're going to come up to the Plymouth Hoe, and when you enter through the gates, you see all these bikers. Now on a good night, you can have a couple hundred bikes up here. It's a really sensational place to go. It's a beautiful outlook, and lots and lots of bikes.
London with these.
Well, here we are, we're up here, and I don't know what that was coming in, and you guys don't even know you're here, do you? So I'm not really sure what it was about, but we'll look it up and tell you underneath when we see it, see what it was. But look at the bikes up here tonight. Tell it's a sunny night. He's called Paddy Doyle, and he's going around Asia on shit bikes. He's hiring them. Well, this is all the bikes and that came in, so we'll see if we can find out what it is. Some sort of transatlantic thing, isn't it? Right, what this is all about is it's about Independence Day. It's a little bit late, but there's this torch that this chap is holding. You can see it's Liberty Love, and that torch he's carrying has come from. It went New York to California, and now it's here. Got all the bikes on this side of the fence. We're all in to parade the runners, and that's what you saw. I think it's all girls. Yeah, it is all girls doing the marathon relay run, and they all came in, and that's what it's all about. Depends really how long you're keeping the bike.
Yeah, well, yeah.
How much of a beast is this one? This is the one with the really big tank, isn't it, Tim? This is the one with the really large tank, isn't it? Yeah. Now that's beautiful. Well, as you can see, it's emptied out pretty quickly up here. Everybody's disappeared, but I think next week we're going to go off to
Newquay Project 83 Bike Night.
I think that'd be good.
Yeah,
I think it will be. So we'll end it here. Obviously there'll be a ride home, but hopefully we'll see you in the next video, guys. Look after yourself.
Cheers,
See you later.
guys.